Clock is ticking to save our planet from the growing threat of climate change. Its impact is visible across the world. And now an actual clock tells us exactly how much time we have to save ourselves from this destruction. Take a look.
7 years, 102 days and 7 hours. This is the time we have to save the world. At least as per the newly installed climate clock in New York. Climate campaigners have unveiled this huge climate clock at New York's Union Square. The clock gives a countdown until we burn through the carbon budget. That is, the amount of greenhouse gases which can be emitted before Earth's temperature goes up permanently by 1.5 degrees Celsius. A change of 1.5 degrees might seem minimal, but its impact can be drastic. The United Nations has warned of drastic environmental changes if this 1.5 degree threshold is crossed. The Earth could lose its coral reefs and the Arctic sea ice.
This is arguably the most important number in the world, and it should have this kind of a placement in the center square of our society. So that's why we put the clock up today, and it hopefully will stay and people will see it as an important reference point, as a way to stay honest with our challenge.
The climate clock has been installed as part of the Climate Week, an international summit involving New York City and the United Nations. The climate clock will be on display until September 27th. It's a reminder of the time before we reach a critical tipping point, and a reminder for us to turn things around before something irreversible happens. Viewer Report, WION World is One.